to B.R. Ambedkar. This is Congress's Udit Raj saying that Rahul Gandhi could become the next Ambedkar, as far as saying that Rahul Gandhi is the hope of the OBC community and has now called for following the path that is now being laid down by Rahul Gandhi. Well, this is a development as far as when it comes to the leader's opinion is now concerned, because Rahul Gandhi of late, who has been speaking of the OBCs and their rights, apparently according to him, that have been denied, where he says that he faltered when it comes to protecting the rights of the OBCs because he couldn't understand their issues. And it seems that backing his stand is now a Congress Neta, Udit Raj, who is of the opinion that Rahul Gandhi could be compared to B.R. Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution, saying that he could become the next B.R. Ambedkar, saying that Rahul Gandhi is the hope of the OBC community and has called for the other Netas as well to follow the path that is being laid down by the Congress leader. Now, as far as Rahul Gandhi himself is concerned, of course, he's been talking about this entire issue as far as the OBC communities are concerned, Tejshri, but what level does it define of the, praises that are coming in from for the Congress leader's way by his own party leaders to go to such an extent to compare him with B.R. Ambedkar?
Well, absolutely. That's a quite shocking remark coming from Udit Raj, who in fact always injects the caste angle. And this time he says OBCs will have to think that history does not give opportunities for progression again and again. And they should follow and support what Rahul Gandhi said yesterday. If they do so, then Rahul Gandhi will prove to be the second Ambedkar for them. That's the kind of comparison, a parallel drawn between Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and the Congress and the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi. So now we'll have to see, how BJP, responds to it, because definitely it will, create a controversy in the political corridors as well, because comparing Rahul Gandhi or keeping him in a second position or drawing a parallel with Baba Saheb Ambedkar, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar definitely is not something which BJP will be accepting. But yes, as far as the issue of OBC is concerned, Rahul Gandhi has on and on been talking about it, and have also been speaking about and I have also been in fact attacking government about sidelining the OBCs and the minorities as well. And that is why yesterday also there was a conference that was held in Talkatoria Stadium in the national capital, where he raised all these issues, and perhaps with reference to that is what the Congress leader Udit Raj has been talking about. Definitely This issue is not going to stay under the carpet. This will give a lead to a high political debate and war of words as well, because putting Rahul Gandhi in the second place just after
well, as far as praising the Congress leader could be taken up as in one example, but going to the extent of comparing him to B.R. Ambedkar. Pradeep Bhandari is connected with us right now. Pradeep, what do you make of Udit Raj's opinion? He says that Rahul Gandhi is the hope for the OBC community and could become the next B.R. Ambedkar.
Well, there is a competition of Chatukarita and bootlicking in the Congress party, where one leader or the other is going ahead in order to impress the Gandhi Vadra family at the cost of insulting the greats. This is a huge insult to Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, because please recall that it was Jawaharlal Nehru who went out of the way to defeat Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar in his first election, and it was the Gandhi Vadra family which gave the Padma Award to the individual Narayan Kajolkar who defeated Baba Saheb Bhimrao.
So you're calling it as a new level of sycophancy amongst the Congress leaders there, praising the Parivar. Thank you very much for the moment, Pradeep, for joining in. Quickly, we have to shift to the live pictures that are now coming in on the occasion today, which is now marking, as far as Kargil Vijay Divas is concerned, India, which has now come a long way.